Mastering the basics. Understanding boiling water. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a common English phrase that often pops up in both everyday conversation and cooking shows alike: boiling water. Whether you're a tea aficionado or a pasta enthusiast, knowing this term is key. So, let's get started and unravel the simplicity and usage of this hot topic. When we talk about boiling water, we're referring to water that is heated until it reaches the temperature at which it transitions from a liquid to a gas, producing steam and bubbles. This process is known as boiling, and the temperature at which it occurs is called the boiling point. For water, this is typically around 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit at sea level. Understanding boiling is crucial because it's not just a cooking term but a physical phenomenon. Boiling ensures that water reaches a temperature high enough to kill most bacteria and microbes, making it safe to drink and use in cooking. It's also a necessary step in many recipes to achieve the desired texture and taste. Let's put boiling water into action with some examples. Please boil some water for tea. The recipe calls for adding pasta to boiling water. Ensure the water is boiling before you drop in the eggs. Notice how the phrase can be a verb, boil, or a noun, boiling water, depending on the sentence structure. Be careful not to confuse boiling water with hot water. Hot water is simply water that is warm to the touch, while boiling water is at a temperature where it bubbles and turns into steam. Also, remember that boiling can describe the process or the state of the water. And that's all there is to boiling water. Simple, isn't it? Remember, this basic concept is a stepping stone to more complex English phrases and idioms. We hope this video has turned up the heat on your English language learning journey. Stay curious, and happy learning!